This is the umbrella that I want to show you how to operate it. This is a little case. I picked, I really don't remember which one I picked. But this is the design that I picked. And here's the umbrella. And you look on the little handles here. You push it up. Oops. That pops it up. And here you can see what it looks like. Pretty nice size for it to be a small one. Okay. Then, once again, let's go back to the handle where you have your down button. And the only thing it's going to do is close the top of your umbrella. Push it. And that's what it does. And you will still have to put it there. You have your little Velcro closure here. And just twist it on around. Oh my goodness. Tight there. But there you have it. And I guess you can stick it back in the little case, which I wouldn't do. Because when I need it, where would I put this? But it's a cute little umbrella. Nice little handle. Definitely one you can keep in your purse.